Feeling sluggish? Heavy metals might be crashing your wellness party. Introducing the Heavy Metal and Chemical Cleanse Program, your detox secret natural health weapon. This 30-day cleanse tackles toxins like a pro with Calcium Disodium EDTA. It's like giving your body a spa day but for detoxing. Our Toxin Binder works hard, binding toxins like a clingy ex. And don't forget the Doc Group foot pads, Detox while you sleep. Imagine flushing out toxins like a toilet after Taco Tuesday. This program supports systemic, gastrointestinal, and topical detox pathways. Vegan and gluten-free, it's a cleanse everyone can enjoy guilt-free. Join our wellness journey with a complimentary VIP support session. Get ready to feel lighter, brighter, and ready for anything. Heavy Metal and Chemical Cleanse, your ticket to a toxin-free body.